operate on its own?
Not all the time.
The muffler and see this space.
It's settled. It's settled.
Sitting on that.
Did you settle down a little bit?
Well, no, just make sure it's not sitting on when you clamp it back.
It shouldn't move. Not when you got this.
You're right. It shouldn't.
Right. As I shouldn't.
I have it up purposely so that it's not shaking and rubbing on that clamp.
Yep.
Now that clamp is fine.
We'll see. It is stretched, but not completely. What I will try to do is reuse it, because I mean, those things are not cheap.
No, they're not.
Well, he's just so busy, and
yeah, there's a lot going on.
As with your family, what's going on with your family too? So loud noises. Oh, that wasn't bad. That one wasn't bad. Yeah, these things definitely.
Oh, it did come loose. Cool.
Yeah, it come loose.
Kind of wondering if
it come loose way too easy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Almost like it wasn't.
But it wasn't leaking there.
Tightened up enough.
Yeah.
Do you have to replace these every time?
Nah,
No,
not
not really.
But
Is it a good suggestion? Absolutely.
yeah, because then you don't have to think about it.
All right, I gotta grab rubber mallet because that looks like it'd be all right there.
No, we're not.
I mean, I can smack it this way, but there's a slight problem.
It just,
I just put the hammer through it.
it just come apart.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, almost. That come out way too easy.
Y'all got some of that metal duct tape?
Yeah. All right, now I gotta save. I gotta save this piece here because that has to go.
Things come with the collar.
Actually, maybe it might be all right. It might be all right. Maybe not. Still looking at the wrong end.
I think you're right. I think you probably need it.
That goes there, goes there.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that other piece. Joy! That don't look all that bad. It's typical. Until you get to here. Swiss cheese. Who likes Swiss cheese? I don't want Swiss cheese on my exhaust though. Those guys with those flashing blue lights up here really don't like that. Ugh. That went in too easy.
Yeah.
Now we might have to do.
We might have to loosen that.
Holy hell. That one there. Gonna have to loosen up more of the exhaust just so I can push it back. Loosen up that U-bolt right there. Ah, you. Yeah, got that. I'm gonna put this one on down here. That pipe seems to be pulling itself down out of that.
I think when you
Stack.
vibrate, maybe I can push up when it's shaking.
I just saw it pull itself down some.
Yeah, I know, so did I. I think it was the vibration.
She's a little on the warm
It
side.
went up a little bit. Holy cow. It went way up.
Good, that's what I wanted.
Alright. Yeah, when you were shaking it, the vibration was making it go.
She's up there a good ways?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
As you can see in my vehicle, I'm running back to my house. We need a tool that he doesn't have. I have at my house. I know exactly where it's at. I'm gonna go grab it. It is a filter wrench for trucks. And it's actually, it looks like an oversized pair of channel locks. I'll show you when I grab it. Well, this is the pair of filter wrenches I was telling you about. It's not the pair I was looking for. The pair I was looking for had a handle about that much longer. And they open up a lot bigger. Because some of these filters on these trucks are pretty much the size of a 2-liter bottle of soda. And they do get larger for the heavier equipment. As far as trucks, they're about the size of a 2-liter bottle. And they take about, roughly about a half a gallon of oil to fill them. Some take more. But I'm headed back. We're gonna go get that filter changed out so we can complete the oil change on that truck. And I'm gonna work on the exhaust there, get that elbow taken care of. So I'll see you back at the shop. Kind of like, what the hell was it? There was somebody did one of those little stupid things on YouTube with
Spoof.
about drilling holes in your tires to change your winter air, summer air, or holes in your oil pan so your oil will cool better.
Man, we have to drain all the air out and put in summer air.
Yeah.
Winter air.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, something like this, what I normally do is when I was doing it on my truck, I'd pour about half in, then chase it with a gallon of oil or so.
Yeah.
A gallon or two of oil.
Yeah, the oil's a little thinner.
Quick, take the plug out.
Yeah.
Oh, hook the shop vac up to the plug at the bottom. It'll suck it all in.
Well, there is a guy on YouTube. I think he does more on stuff on TikTok, but
Yeah.
his name's he goes by the name of Autotech Mike, and he was doing had to change the crush washer on the oil pan on the drain plug on a car.
Oh yeah.
He put a shop vac on up on top of the motor, turned it on, pulled the drain plug out, changed the crush washer, put the plug back in, and never lost a drop of oil.
Oh, I've heard of that. Yeah.
Interesting.
You
How
have
many
to have a
quarts does
pretty
this
good
engine
sealed
take, Jake?
system.
This is usually, it's either 9 or 10 gallons.
You have a torque wrench for these?
We have to use a screwdriver.
Oh, okay.
Stab it in the side.
Right.
Just stab her in there and see
Yeah,
what
and then
happens.
just break it. I might need a pipe to get put on the end of the screwdriver.
Okay, this shows approximately a gallon over full.
Yeah.
So we fire it up. That's going to lower the level. So we should be good. Put that on. Idle almost 50 pounds of oil pressure.
Yeah, I know. They want to give everyone $5 million in San Francisco. That's
Only
black.
blacks and
It doesn't even matter if you're first or second generation in this country or if they've ever been slaves.
just came off the boat.
Yeah.
Needs a gallon. It's unusual to happen, but it does.
Usually you don't have the
Usually you don't hear it.
cover off.
But again, it could be a sign that she's getting tired too.
Well,
Right.
I did tell you that it's a known thing that these engines, 700,000 plus or minus, you can plan on a head gasket
And we have
or
minus.
other issues.
We might be minus, but we're not minus by much. It's what, 600 and some
right.
odd,
677. Yeah.
six something on there.
Yep.
Right at the full mark.
All right.
So it is 10 gallons,
Keep an eye on it.
just like mine was. Well, I was gonna finish up the exhaust, but while I went back to the house, grabbed that filter wrench, they completed it for me. So, what next? Probably give a couple forklifts a bath. Like that one right there, that's the one they were still looking at the possibility of pulling the motor out of one and putting it into that one. So I'll start cleaning it now. That way it can, if we do it, it'll be a lot cleaner. It'll be quicker. Don't have to spend 3 days degreasing it. I'll do the 3 days now in stages.